Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add pattern on the page on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any blank document. Then click on Design tab, and then at the corner you can see page color option. Then just click here. At first you have to choose your pattern color and you can choose any color from here. If I select it, then click here again. Then click on Fill Effects. Then click on Pattern. And that's it. From here you can add any pattern as you like. If you want to add this pattern, just click here and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see pattern has been added successfully. If you want to add another pattern, just click here, then click on Fill Effects. If I select it, if you want to change your pattern background color, just click here and then choose any color. Then click on OK, and it's done. And that is how you can add pattern on the page on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.